The politics of our nation has changed. The last election in 2022 was not about ethnicities. It's not about regions. It was about issues. The issues that affect our nation and our people, Kenyans, in equal measure. And what is coming in 2027 is we are going to elevate the position of issues in the elections of 2027. Every leader, every person will be judged by their track record and their agenda for the transformation of our nation. So, those who use political platforms to insult others, to call others names, to drive wedges between people, to divide people, they will be in for a very rude shock. Because the people of Kenya have known now that it is possible to transform this nation. The people of Kenya have come to appreciate that what a leader promises, he or she must deliver. I am very confident that the people of Kenya will judge all of us as leaders on account of our track record, what we promised, what we have delivered, and what we stand for going forward as a people and as a nation. And therefore, I want to encourage you that don't be too bothered about the noise and the noisemakers. Ndio Waswahili wakasema, debe tupu haliachi kutika. You know, the noise and the noisemakers, it is because they do not have the content. They do not have what it takes. They do not have the plan. They do not have the roadmap. They do not have the agenda for taking our country forward. That is why they are engaged in insults, name-calling, noise, and other retrogressive things. Bishop, as you pray for our nation, as you look at us, there is a world of a difference between the men and the women who have a plan, who have an agenda for our nation, and the people who are insulting others. You will hear many names out there. You will hear a lot of noise out there. But as a nation, we should never be distracted.